That'll be a cocktail. Hey, it's Friday. I'm so excited to be back and bring you a blood orange margarita. 2 ounces tequila. This is my favorite. 1 ounce triple sec. 1 ounce. Now a little twist. A little bit of Aperol. 1/2 ounce. Okay. Agave Nectar. 1/2 ounce. I gotta measure it. I don't want to mess it up. 1 ounce blood orange. Look how beautiful that is. 1/2 orange, 1/2 ounce. 1 ounce lime. All right. It got everything out of that lime. And it got everything out of that orange. I'm going to use my lime to salt the rim. Don't forget that. It looks like shit. What the hell? Why is this so difficult? Nikki makes it look so easy. And ice. And ice. You go for people. Happy birthday. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm gonna just do a floater like that. Ooh, that is filled to the rim. Oh yeah. Happy Friday. Enjoy a blood orange margarita.